Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a web browser in Microsoft Visual Studio, okay? So I'll leave the link to download Microsoft Visual Studio in the description, but for short I'm going to call it Visual. Okay, so I recommend using Visual 2012, so click on it. Okay, now click on File, New Project, and Windows Forms application. Click on OK. Okay. So you see properties. You probably don't have properties. You just downloaded it. So click on View and then click on Properties window. Okay. So now just drag this to the size if I put it. We can resize it later. Okay. So now you want to go to View. Click on you want to go to View, click on View, and then click on Toolbox. Okay? Now type in web browser. Okay? Now you want to double click it. Okay, I'm just going to put the toolbox over here off the screen. Now you want to click on this thing and then click on Undock. Okay? Now put it to the size if I put it. Okay? So like that. And like that. Okay, now have the toolbox open again. You need to input 5 buttons. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now you also need to input a text box. Now, text box right there. Let's put everything right here, and I accidentally closed it. Oh well. So let's put the search box like so. Now, put button 5 over here, and go on text and name it. Enter, because that's where you're gonna enter it. Okay? Now, name button 1, go to text, name it back. Now name button, name button 2, name that forward. Now name button 3 home, because that's where we're gonna go home. Not literally home. Now button 4 is gonna be refresh, because that's where we're gonna refresh. You can search up like emojis instead of like putting like text. You can just put the emojis for it. Like refresh would be like this little circle icon. You know what I mean? Like recycle or something. And home would be a picture of a house. And forward would be just an arrow forward, and back would be an arrow pointing back. And enter would just be like a little magnifying glass showing to like search it up. Because that's where we're gonna search stuff up. Okay? Now, I accidentally closed it. I'm not noticing, and now, oh no, you don't have to open anything. So you want to double click on back, and you want to type in the script that I type in. All scripts will be in the description. So web browser 1 dot go back. Go. You want to double click it and then put these. I forgot how you call these. Brackets. Yeah, brackets. I think. Now you want to double click on forward, and it's basically the same thing. You just want to type in web browser 1 and dot go. So to go back, you want to type in go forward. Okay? And now, for home. For home, you want to type in web browser 1, the same thing, but this time you want to put in .navigate bracket quote unquote. You can put in any website, but I'm just gonna put in www.google.com. Okay, put in quote unquote and then bracket. Okay, now for the search button or enter, you just double click it and name it web browser 1 dot navigate and bracket text box 1 dot text. Now bracket again. Okay, so yeah, it's simple as that. Okay, so you just want to press start to like try it out. Oh god, I accidentally opened Swivel. It's gonna be loud. Okay, good. So only 6. Okay, so start. Look, see, here it is. If you go home, you go to Google, and you can basically search up anything. How about how old is how old is the oldest turtle? And yeah, around 187 years. So yeah, you can basically do anything. Oh god, I accidentally did that. And you can do the same thing with here. How old is this time? Let's do. How old is the Minecraft YouTuber George Not Fat? Oh no, you don't press enter. You just press this enter. Okay. See, but nah, maybe later. Okay. But the thing is, since you don't go to Google, it'll just search it up on Microsoft Bing because what is it called? Visual Studio is made by Microsoft. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. Okay. Okay. So yeah, it's as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And yes, you can play games on it. I tried it with Roblox. So yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. And like I said, the download to Visual Studio 2012 is in the description. And I'll see you in the next one.